What's up, guys? Welcome to my channel once again. My name is DJ Ninja 254 on YouTube. Kindly subscribe to this channel if you are connecting to this channel for the first time. And if you are my returning subscribers, I'm grateful for taking your time always to come back and watch my videos. So in this video, guys, I'll be talking about sweet Jamaica. I was doing some research and I discovered that Jamaica has the largest churches per square mile. It is in the Guinness World Book of Records. And also going through the internet, I saw some people portraying Jamaica as a very unsafe place with the highest death rates, with the highest crime rate. Jamaica be having largest number of churches doesn't mean that the whole population is Christian and the whole population are morally upright. You know, there are some. There's one thing to be spiritual, and there's one thing following it to the par. What I mean is, you can find some people that are born and bred in a Christian family, but they are not following some of the principles that they are required to. So you cannot just say because the country has a lot of churches. I saw that they have more than 1,600, around 1,600 churches. If you compare it with the kilometer squared, the size of Jamaica, that is quite a large number of churches. And some were saying that these are just the comments that I was looking at. Some people were talking like, why is it that Jamaica has a lot of churches and yet it has a high percentage of crime rate? But if you look at the most of the content creators who have gone there, you see that what is being portrayed in the media, it's like somehow a bit biased. It's not like, especially not all the media, some of the media, this international media, they portray a bad picture, which if you try to look keenly, it's not what exactly it is. To me, I think some of the bad character that is being emulated by the younger generation and some youths, I think it could be attributed to some of the music. You know, if you look keenly at some of the music, like the ones from let's say like US, the UK. I'm not saying all. Even some of it from Africa. You'll find that they glorify things like guns, weapons, money. Like you find somebody shooting a video and then yes, a big bundle of money, and then doing throwing the money anyhowly. And in another video, you find somebody with some guns, brandishing guns, and saying, talking about gangsters, something of the sort. You know, when you do like that, when a child gets to watch that, or when the youngsters or the younger generation gets to watch that, they'll kinda start to uh, being in a gangster manner. Uh, like over here in Kenya, there's a crew that formed because of I know to some of you guys I might you might be offended, but there are some songs of Adija Palmer, that is Vibes Cartel, that made some of our youth to follow some characters, forming some gangs, you know, because of the lyrics and the songs. To some, if they take it as entertainment, it's just okay. But there are some people who take it seriously and start practicing and forming those kind of groups, or following the way that the songs are. On the other hand, guys, you'll find that there are songs that they are secular, but they have good message. They can even be songs of Rastafarians, reggae songs, but if you listen to the message, you find that the songs are neutral. They are positive with good messages. However, some of them you'll find that they are promoting like substance use, like marijuana, which is not that good to some people. So to me, guys, from most of the content creators, especially YouTubers that have been there, you can discover that Jamaica is a peaceful country, irrespective of the way they portray it. It is a country that is welcoming to most people, and any other country has its fair share of crime. Every country is unsafe in one way or the other. Let me use an example. Currently, we have been having floods, but not that in big quantities, because in my country, Kenya, because of the rains, it is currently raining. So if all of us just go and start recording about that, the floods everywhere, floods. You know, someone in some part of the world will just think that Kenya is a country full of floods everywhere. At times, we should not only be basing on the negative sides. We should also be basing on some of the positivities of a country. So I like the fact that Jamaica has a lot of churches and a lot of religious places. It's good because the religious places help in building the characters of people. When you are most of the mosques, churches, they tend to build the character of people. When you are almost going astray, you are taught on how to live with people, how to love each other, and etc. Good vices from the places of worship. And also, one good thing about Jamaica, guys, is the fact that it is welcoming to all religions. And what I can say is Jamaica is a beautiful country, positive country. Guys, you'll discover that in Jamaica, most of the states are, is it the states or they have names of like St. Andrew, St. What, St. I think it is also because of how the Christian religion was being introduced there with the Spain when they arrived. I think the first people who were the Spain are the ones who introduced the Catholicism, Catholics, and then later the Baptists. And the Baptists really helped in emancipation, taking away slavery. They really played a very great role. So guys, thank you for watching this video. I like it when I talk about Jamaica because of your support and what you do for this channel. So thank you for staying tuned. If you have not subscribed to this channel, kindly do so. And remember to leave your comment below on maybe the video that I should do, and what you think about this video. Cheers guys, see you in my next episode.